This is how you can create these viral AI baby videos. These videos are raking in millions of views and getting content creators followers and income. Whether you plan to use these videos for entertainment or monetary purposes, just watch this video to the end as I show you free AI tools you can use to create this. The first tool you would use is ChatGPT. So, head over to ChatGPT. Either on your browser or you can download the app from your Play Store or App Store. You would have to log in to carry this out. So you can click on Continue with Google or sign up or simply sign in if you already have an account. Click on the bottom left corner where you see two image icons in a circle to upload the image we want to modify. Tap on Photos. If this is your first time, you may be required to grant the app permission to access your file. Just allow and then locate where the image is in your file manager. I would select my AI avatar image for this demonstration. You can use a famous celebrity or someone who is trending and turn their images into a baby image to create your video. You can type in a prompt like turn this image into a baby speaking behind a pulpit, or you can copy my exact prompt and put it in ChatGPT. It may take a while for ChatGPT to produce your image. While you wait, please consider subscribing to Mr. Kiku Official on YouTube. I share useful digital tips you can use to enhance your internet experience. Awesome, ChatGPT has created our baby avatar. So, click on the image and download it to your phone. Done. Let's move on to create the magic. The next AI tool we would use is Hedra. But unfortunately for Africans, Hedra is not free. Let me teach you a trick to use Hedra AI literally for free. Download this VPN or any VPN of your choice. Open the app. Click on the icon on top of the connected you see at the top of the screen. Look for any US location. I prefer New York. Select it and then you are connected. Now, go to your browser. Then search emailnator.com. Once you land on the site, you would see a disposable email. We will need these emails so we can keep getting 300 free credits. Hedra only gives 300 free credits per email. The only challenge is that you cannot download without watermark, so if you know of a free tool you can use to remove the watermark, you can use it. Alright, scroll down till you see Go. Underneath the Go button, uncheck Domain, uncheck plus Gmail and then uncheck Google Maps. Ensure only .gmail is on. Tap on Go once you are done. Good. Copy the email and now, we can head over to Hedra AI. Open another tab on your browser and type hedra.com. Once you are here, you would have to sign up using the disposable email created. Tap on the three lines you see at the top left corner and select Sign Up. Paste your disposable email there and input your password. Ensure the password has at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number and one special character. When you are done, click on Create an account. You would receive a verification code in the inbox of your disposable email. Go back to the tab where you opened Emailnator. Do not close this tab with Hedra AI. Scroll down on the Emailnator interface and you would see a message from accounts@hedra.com. Tap on it. You can close any ads that pop up. Scroll down and copy the 6 digits code you see. Go back to Hedra AI. And paste it where you are required to input the verification code. Great! Sign in with your password. After you see in, you would see this Terms of Service pop up. Check all boxes and click on Create an account. You see, you now have 300 credits. Let's make good use of this. Select Video. Where you see 16:9, you can tap on it and select the dimensions that best suits your image. I would go for 9:16. Tap on Character. Click on Upload Image. When this message pops, just click on I consent. Click on Character again. Select Upload Image. Choose Files. Select your image. Once it uploads, you must now upload your audio script. Hedra only allows for 20 seconds of audio, so do well to crop your audio to 20 seconds before you start the whole process. One trick I use for this is, I use my video editor to cut a trending video into 20 seconds bits. Then I go to my file manager and rename the cut bit by ending it with .mp3. It instantly converts the video to an audio. You can try it and let me know the results. Now, let's upload our audio script. Click on Audio Script and then tap on Upload Audio. Select Files and locate your audio. Once it uploads, you would see this interface. Tap on Add to Video. Great. So it is time to put in your prompt. You can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt for a video of a baby speaking, but I won't do that. I would just put in a simple prompt like you see on your screen. Tap on the pink icon with the arrow and wait to see what Hedra AI would produce. Voila! Our video is done. To locate and download your video, tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner. Select Library. You can watch your video to see if this is what you want. This is how you can create these viral AI baby videos. You can always recreate it by putting in a better prompt. For longer videos, I go back to video and upload the second part of the audio and my ChatGPT image and create the second part. You can download your video by tapping on the icon with the arrow pointing down. Just click on Download. Once your download is completed, you may have to extract it from a zip file in your file manager. Just watch how it is done. So you locate the Hedra zip folder. Tap long on it. This menu pops up and then you click on Extract. As simple as ABC. You can upload this video onto your editor and enhance it for maximum output. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tools like this. Try it and let me know the results in the comment section.